Now I have my little, what's it called? Scepter to go with my costume. Alright, well, time to get into costume. Queen of Hearts. How does it look? Ooh. Not too bad. Not too bad. Gotta pull that down. Ah, there we go. Queen of Hearts. 'Cause I'm the mean teacher. Whoa. That looks nice. That's new. What a long day. Just at the gym. It was a fun day. Good day dressing up. Kids loved it, so yeah, good start to the weekend. Positive. Gonna hit the gym, do some stuff, be here for a little bit. Chloe's got a dance to be at on the Friday night. Ooh, disco. And that gives Timby some time to nap. And then tonight we get to have some delicious food. Yuck. What is this? What a gross day. Well, means for warm breakfast. Bacon, waffles. Time to get cooking. We got our waffles, bacon's degreasing, coffee's sitting nice and ready, and some of our favorite mugs for this morning's breakfast. All I gotta do now is actually go wake up Chloe because I feel she's still in bed.
2 hours later.
Still real gross and lots of flooding, but we made it safe and sound. Just the two of us. Two of us by ourselves watching Torium Pro. We're gonna do a little partner workout today. Done, dusted. That's next. Alright, we done the first one. It was hard, real hard. I'll try and get a bit of the second one. Second one looks a bit more fun. We're just gonna go round for round, see how it goes. Look how cute you look. Look at your jacket. Why are you so excited to go out to this? This is horrible. Why? Oh goodness. Miserable weather. That walk was so cold and wet. I had to have another coffee just to warm up. I've just been doing some school reports with Chloe and stuff. Just, getting stuff done when we can on the weekend. It's rainy, bleh. And now, because I have nothing better to do on a weekend, I'm going to do a little bit of a workout again, Oh, that was hard too. I'm just not feeling it, but got something done. I think I'll try and take Timmy out again now and then I'll shower and try and stay warm for the rest of the day and night. Long weekend coming up, looking forward to that. Very much looking forward to that. Might go out for dinner, take Chloe on a date, maybe go to another movie. So, just not feeling it right now. Got something done. It's always good. Do something. No matter what.